welcome to beautiful Tassie. We're on Spirit of Tasmania in the morning. This is just going to be a bit of a review of yesterday. So yesterday we drove from Adelaide to Melbourne. It took us a fair while to get there. We did a few stops on the way. From Adelaide, Tarlant Bend, we stopped at Border Town, had some lunch there at Macca's. Car park was crazy there. Oh, I couldn't believe it. But the car park in Horsham was crazy. Border Town was nice. We had just got some breakfast in there. And then we stopped again just outside of Ballarat. Programmed the GPS in to get us into Melbourne. Melbourne was just a bit of a crazy just to get into Melbourne. So once we got into Melbourne, we were able to go straight to the pier, do everything that we had to do, and that was a smooth process. So we just drive in, the person at the main booth area, there was one person looking at people's registration and getting all their details and providing cabin keys, etc. And so that person did that, and then the other person, when you pulled up, that person gave you everything. We got a little bit separated with Pin and Rhonda because they had special assist, so they had to park somewhere else. And then when we got into the ship, we drove into the ship, and we were supposed to go down to the bottom part of the ship, but we couldn't because it was full. So then we had to go up to the top levels of the ship, which was really good because we get to exit a different way and a better way, hopefully. And then from there we went straight to our cabins, dump our stuff, and then from there we decided to have a quick little drink, and then we realised that the main eating area, the buffet area, you pay $27.50 an adult, $10 for kids under 10. So we ate there pretty much straight away. Hanged around there till around about 9 o'clock, and we went back to our rooms and slept. It was a bit of a bumpy ride, not as bad as other cruise ships that we've been on. Kept us up most of the night, but I was able to get a couple of hours sleep, so that was fun. And little Brookie's here with me. Say hello.
Hello.
And we got up about 5 in the morning, and I went around and did a bit of a ship tour video, and just taking Brookie around to show her around the ship and take some photos of the ship coming in. Hopefully you can see that in the background. And we're really looking forward to our first day in Tassie. Don't know what we're really planned, but hopefully we'll have a lot of fun. So it's a goodbye from me. everybody. We just finished having breakfast at House of Anvers. It's like a chocolate
factory that makes all different types of chocolate and has a cafe, and we had breakfast with egg benedicts and stuff like that, and fried eggs, and it was absolutely really delicious. It was really fresh. Everything tasted great. The eggs cooked perfectly. The surface was great here. Everyone's really good here. Really enjoy it here. So that's for us for now, and we'll catch you on the way to wherever we're going next. I think we're going to go to Launceston and take a look around there, and then slowly head towards Hobart and get into our hotel and take our and relax a little bit and enjoy everything. So goodbye. Ring the red one. Hello everybody. Probably about just after 10, and we decided to do the garden maze just outside of Launceston, and we just finished doing the garden maze. Takes around about 10-15 minutes if you're really lucky. Cost is $10 an adult, $5 for children, or a family of 30. So yeah, it was absolutely fun. It was really good. We really enjoyed it. Beautiful scenery around here, as you can see. And so yeah, absolutely nice. I really enjoyed it. Beautiful Bradys Lookout, and timestamp around about 12:30. We're going to make our way to Hobart now. Everybody, we've made it to Hobart finally after a long drive and a few roadworks on the way. Finally able to get here. We're just at the apartments that we're staying at. We're staying at St. Ives holiday apartments in Hobart near Battery Point, I believe. The girls have gone to check in and see what they have to do to get Peter all organised, etc, etc. And then hopefully we get into the hotel room and bring everything in, and that'll be great once we do that, so we can have a bit of a shower and then decide what we're going to do. I'm more than happy just to sit back and relax. So it's just been a tiring drive today. I thought yesterday was bad, but today just seems to be yeah, just one of those drives where people just don't want to drive properly. So anyway, enough of that. So we finally made it into Hobart. Awesome. Speak to you all soon.